So we bought this used 3090 drenched in oil. I definitely thought it was a score because I got it for only $500 and the going rate for a used one is about $800. Of course, I inspected it and the first thing I noticed was this substance all over the GPU. At first I thought it was water damage, but after touching it, I realized it was more of an oily substance, like a lubricant. After further inspection, I figured out that the thermal pads are actually leaking this oily substance. When they run hot for a long period of time, this can occur. It does post, so I considered cleaning it up with alcohol and replacing the thermal pads in paste. However, the 3090 came out in the year 2020, and MSI graphics cards have a 3-year warranty. I decided to try my luck and maximize my return, so I'm going to send it in and hopefully I'll get a new one. Worst case scenario, they'll just repair it and send it back. A good luck kiss from Piney, and it is off to California. Stay tuned for part 2 to see if we get a new one.